Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node Sequelize. Today we are going to learn about the migrations. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically migrations are a way to manage the database schema changes over time, such as creating or modifying the tables, adding or removing the columns and more. Sequelize provides a CLI tool that makes it easy to create and run migrations. Suppose I want to create a table, right? So I create the table. Next, I want to remove the column. I want to alter the table with the string to int. So such kind of things we can do it with the help of the migrations, and it's very easy. So let's see how we are going to do that. So first of all, you have to install the global Sequelize CLI. Okay, if you want to create the migrations, so here you can see that create users table. So here I'm just using the users table, so I will use the customers table. Okay, so I will create the customers table. So just copy the Sequelize, go to your terminal and add it. Okay, create migrations with the name create customers table. Sequelize command not found. So I think I need to install global. I think I haven't installed it with the global, I guess. So let's install this one with the global. So let's install this. You can see migrations folder at the Sequelize tutorial migrations already exist. New migration was created. Okay, if I go over the migrations, you can see the new table is created, right? So this is the first thing. Next, replace the create users table with as a descriptive name of your migration, so you can generate a new migration file with the migration folder on a project. So you can see that we have a migration folder with the this file name. Okay, next we have a use restrict and all these things. You can see that here use restrict import module export. Okay, we have a up and the down for add reverting the commands here, for adding altering commands here. Okay, so we have to create that one, no? Right? So let's add some of the data. So here I'm going to module dot export, so I'm going to just use this down query also. So here we have the module exports. So we have making the customers part, right? So make sure it should be a customer, so I'm just going to use that one. Okay, now we have a users, I need the customers over here, customers, and let's go and here add to use customers. Okay, done. So we have a table, so we need to create that table into the database. So let's see how we are going to do that. It's done. Next, run the migration. So you need to use sequelize db.migrate. Okay, so here we will use the command sequelize db-migrate. Access denied for the root config.json. I think it takes the data from the configuration config.json, so make sure config.json should be available. So development, so here we have a username is php my admin, password, there should be a quotes, database, rest api 2, and everything is perfect. Okay, let's run. You can see that migrating. Let's go and check. So we have reload this and we have the customers table. You can see that all the field. We have the first migrations table. So what we have the table. So here we have the username, created at, updated at. Okay. So you can see that we have created that one, created that and updated that also. Okay. And here also added updated. Okay. So this is how we are able to create the tables. Next step, if you want to roll back that migrations, just use db migrate. So if I go and just add over here, just go and sequelize undo. Let's see the table customer does not exist. If I do the migration part again, here you can see that migrate, and let's see again, it's there. Now it's there, you can see the customers, okay, with the current structure, username created and updated at. Okay, so this is how you can do that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.